air fill for the rear shocks. So I have to undo that nut as well. Get that out of here. Here's the air shocks going to the left side and to the right side. So undo this. Here's the right side. This is the fill for the air shocks. Gotta keep that out of the way. Looks like I can take this section of the rear fender off. The bolts are just something bought a hold this. I know. There we go. Gotta clean that up, obviously. So here I have my 14 mil half-inch drive. I'm going to take this shock absorber off. Start with the lower end. There's one bolt. Got the nuts off, a nut here and bolt here. So I want to move this guy and do that. Get it out of the way. There we go. Now I should be able to slide this off of here. Whoa, whoops. There we go. There's my left rear. Okay, let's repeat what we did on the other side, on this side. First thing is, okay. Oh, this side's different. So I've got the nuts and washers there. Nuts and washers. This one's already loosened because of the railing belt. Okay. That's come undone. Now I can slide that off of there. Try to wiggle this thing into here. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, this thing needs to be cleaned. First thing I want to do to take the caliper off is get rid of this hose. Yeah, there may be some fluid in there. I don't know. The master cylinder doesn't seem to work properly. So okay, just put that right back in there. Okay, now that's out of the way. Let's get this bottom one, which is a 14 mil. Oop, this one's a 14. That was kind of loose. The other one's a 12. And the next thing to do is to try to release those pads, the cylinders, pistons. I know, look. Oh yeah, look at that. Be able to get this off of here. Yep. See. These pistons don't want to move right now. Wow, look at these pads. They're in great shape. Oh, alright, cool. Need to raise it so this pin, the axle, alright. I need to raise it so that this pin or the axle clears the mufflers. There we go. Alright, that's above. So's that one. Okay. We'll move this cotter pin, locking this nut on here. Even though it's a metric bike, I have to use a 15/16 for this. Gotta love impact. Take this guy out of here. Gotta loosen these 3 bolts. Give this some play. Okay, that was easy as well. Let's see what happens when I pull the rest of this out here. There we go. Clean that up. I need to pull that off. I believe that's a 14. I think I'll get this. All right. That goes on like that. All right. Now it's time to put the tire back on there. Here's the final drive. Yep. Whoa. So I greased it all up, cleaned it all up. Time to put it back. Let's get this thing on here. Come on, why not? There we go. Now the key is to line this up with that. This gear with that gear. So you got it all greased up. So I've got this little ramp and height adjustment set up. There it is. There we go. Got some in. It's all lubed up. Now time to put this guy on. Okay. The rotor goes in between there. This guy goes on. Bolt. Nut. Tighten that up later. Now I do have some grease on there. Got this little spacer. Right. Coming out the other side. All right. Put the nut on. I got to torque that down to the proper specs and line it up so I can put the cotter pin in there to lock it down. Alright, this gets torqued to 65 foot-pounds or 90 newton meters for 1980 to 1982. Set to 65 foot-pounds. Whoops. Seriously? There we go, one more clip. Yep. Okay. Almost. So, I have two choices here. This one closer than that one. That one's spot on. This one is a little off. I can tighten it just a little more. Proper wrench, I should say. Okay, so now I need to go just a little more. One more of those. There you go. Now I can put the cotter in. Alright. You have to live by an airport. There's another airplane. Now you can do this any which way. Just happen to have those. That ain't going nowhere. Proper language there. Proper English. Alright, look at that. Like it was meant to be.